All right, boys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be fixing the biggest problem, well, in my opinion, on my GTI. I'm not gonna lie, boys, the GTI is kind of down right now, and that's a bigger problem, but these are just like a little cosmetic problem I can do real quick. Let me just show you guys real quick. So before I show you, boys, what do you guys think the biggest problem is? You guys can see it from right here. Let me know what you guys think before I show you. All right, don't mind the dirty wheels, but look at the center caps, boys. These are fucking nasty. I don't know what's wrong with these. When I got them, after a little while, I guess the sun, and then I don't know, it just fucked them up. But I got some new ones. The wheels I have are Avantgarde M220s, 18x8, 18x9, offset 30, 235x40 wheels, I'm pretty sure. No, 225 40 R18. If anybody asks in the comments, boys, give them a fat ass neck. And I know somebody's gonna ask, but today I'm gonna be switching these out for these new ones. And it should look cleaner, and I need to wash the wheels though, because look how fucking nasty they are. Look at this shit. Oh hell no. Hey bro, oh, you're fucking, go home bro, go home. Oh hell no. What is wrong with you actually, bruh? Oh hell no. You're doing too extra, bruh. That's the only thing. That's why I don't like it. Can you touch those? No, it's gonna be hot. Oh yeah, look, it's steaming hot. Ah! Was it actually hot? Yes. I told you, dumbass.
I want the new and with the old.
What? Nigga, that shit went between your butt cheeks.
No, that's not even funny, bro.
I went like that. I closed them on your finger. Yeah. You're fucking nasty, bro. You're actually nasty for that. Actually? You do it too extra. Ow! Bro, not again, bro. You fucking annoying, bro. Let me do this real quick. Sorry. If you guys want these, you guys gotta go on eBay, find somebody selling. Dude, they're expensive, like 25 bucks a piece. Like 100. But look,
for this little shit.
Yeah, 25 bucks for this. But look, it looks way better than this one. And it says they don't fit on this, but I have a life hack. First, you gotta take this one out. There you go. Oh, that one's nasty. Oh. And then with this one, I mean, actually this one fits way better than the other one, because the other one I had to bend a little bit. Oh no, look, perfect fit. Because the other one I had to bend these little things down a little bit and then to make it fit. But I don't know what's up with these fit perfect. Oh. Ah! You fucking nasty. I hate you. Actually? Yes.
Let's go to Big Play.
There we go. Alright, boys. Check it out. Check it out. They look cleaner. Because the other ones look so fucking nasty. They look stupid. Let me know what you guys think down below. Over there, these fools are fucking getting mad. Nothing crazy, boys. Just some little hubcaps. They look cleaner though. Oh, let me know what you guys think. What's up, boys? Before anything, boys, I know this week we low-key don't. The thing is, boys, the GTI is low-key down. I was gonna take it in for like a timing belt and water pump change, just because it's about that time, you know what I mean? But the car's just been acting weird. I have a couple ideas of what it is, but I'm not too sure. But when we come back, we're gonna be going on a camping trip soon. Actually, this week. I don't know when this video. If this video is posted on Saturday, we're leaving that day that this video is posted. So we're leaving that day. We're not gonna be back for like 2 years or some shit. I don't know. But we're going camping. After camping, I'm gonna take the car into the shop, get it fixed. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'm hoping for like at least a month max. But if it takes longer, it takes longer, you know. Hoping the best, you know, knock on automatic. You know what I mean? Knock on automatic. Don't want nothing crazy happening, but it should be back. And when it's back, it's gonna be going. I have a lot of plans. I have a lot of things. You guys will know as they come, you know. We all have a bunch of plans, you know, so just stay tuned, boys. Other than that, boys, oh, and we did record on the, because the GoPro's been acting weird, so we recorded on my phone. So let me know what you guys think of that footage down below. We do want to get an actual camera eventually, but little by little, you know, we'll get what we need and all that. But I mean, I'm excited for the camping trip, boys. I just want to freaking go to sleep, you know what I mean? Now we're just gonna be chilling. You guys will see all that too, and more parts, more everything coming, you know, a lot of things. But after this, it's just literally after this, it's just us going to get some stuff, you know what I mean? But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for everything, boys, and we'll see you later. Oh,
that's fucking stupid.
yeah, get red ones.
Oh my god.
We don't need 150 fucking plates, bro. The hell you doing? He's like, okay, I'm not going. We need masks again. I don't even know why. Yeah, 50 should be cool. We can reuse it. When you're bored. Get some forks and shit. Black? Nah.
Yeah.
That's racist. No, we don't need that many though.
48? That's 150.
These are knives.
150? Yeah, every day.
Every day, clear.
You can move them every day.
Yeah, we don't need this, I guess. Only 48?
Put it on your ass.
Yeah, fuck it. That's it. That's it.
Take one?
What else do we need? Cups?
These are forks.
No, it comes with all of them. Wait, we need cups too. Right here?
Yeah. Not the other one though.
Which ones? The color ones?
Yeah. Nah.
What?
I know, me too.
Actually, low key, huh?
Oh my god.
But this is too much. This is ting much.
Bring it.
This one right here. 50.
I don't know how you
Dude, you better put these away good.
How you gonna put these on the There's like, you're gonna get like 2% drink.
Just refill.
Alright.
Call it a refill. He's gonna take two for no reason. Don't return it. Oh! Hey, watch out! Oh, hell no! Chill, bro.
He said I only do 30, not 25.
Oh! What the hell?
He only does 30, not 25. That's right.
Oh, hell no. Let me see it, can I?
No.
You weak, Ken. Well, let me try. Oh! No, it's kidding. I usually do 45s though.
Oh, not 25? Oh, this nigga's doing a little twist. Okay.
You gotta do it right now. That's gained. Alright, ya dijo. Where we should go?
To the bathroom again, guess?
You're gonna get away from him.
Because you're weird.
Oh, guess who?
You're a redneck.
¿Él es baila? There's a ripoff.
What is this, clearance out?
Look here.
Oh, low key. Nah.
It's on sale.
The fuck I want
Did she go through the boxes too, or what?
He doesn't open them.
Oh, then never mind. That's only for people that open them. You just get
What about the Goonies?
It's gonna sell used oil filters, bruh. Oh, hell nah. Used oil filters. Yeah, like last week.
Oh, hell no. The line is hella big.
I found black and khaki. They don't have ballena size.
That's not funny.
Exactly, that's how I got some.
Oh, hell no. You don't know how to tie your shoes?
You gotta talk louder. Oh, and you can zoom in and everything? Ooh.
Never seen a camera before? Actually looks nice. I think it's gonna... Alpha check.
Hey, Miso, we got the new camera.
The other
you
one's
think?
done.
The other one's fucking acting.
I
up
told
like
you,
a
bro.
motherfucker.
Do the thing. I told
I
you.
might have to, dude.
I don't even buy on Amazon.
Just to be. Oh, hey!
That's my little girl, so you.
Yes.
Oh, hell nah.
What the hell is that?
That's why you also got it. You also got it for that reason, huh?
You know.
No, keep it.
No, you want
Do you have some?
No.
Exactly. Who the fuck is getting this? You drink coffee now?
What the hell is that?
Where'd you get this for?
Oh, hell no.
And the Ghostbusters? You buying a Ghostbusters shirt? Oh, that looks like my OG shirt. Oh, wait.
Nigga, who the fuck is that on this shit?
Look, this is all we're taking to camp, boys. We're gonna eat cups, plates.
I mean, this is all we need for now, no? I know that. It's not real. That's a good one.
Yeah. Tell me with nothing on it.
Huh?
I'll take it with nothing on it.
You want to make us more? Whoa! What?
Whoa!
What are they gonna do, take it?
Where is it parked?
I don't know.
We're ready for camping, boys. Oh, I forgot to record. Side. Boys, we think the GoPro is down. We're filming right now on the iPhone. Let us know how the quality is, if it's cool or not. I don't know. It looks cool, it seems cool. Easy to zoom in, at least. We can zoom into Misa's face. They might unsubscribe though.
Seatbelt time.
Oh shit! And look, now we can be like, whoa, look at the police, guys. You know what I mean? Oh, hell no.